the last place you would think this would happen. In a Bexar County courtroom, a clerk sexually exposes himself to another employee. And it was all caught on camera. That incident has now sparked a lawsuit. And as the Night Team's Dylan Collier discovered, the fallout from that act just keeps coming. A warning, this story contains video that is not suitable for all ages.
This footage was recorded in 2016 on an undercover pen camera worn by a bailiff who, according to records, bought the device because he felt no one would believe that a fellow county employee, identified as civil court clerk Jesse Mesa, had for months been sexually harassing him inside 37th District Court. But sure enough, as the bailiff put bottled water in a mini fridge in a court conference room, there was Mesa pulling down his pants and exposing his private parts off and on for nearly a minute, repeatedly shaking his exposed backside and private area in plain view of his co-worker, who finally told Mesa. 2 days later, the bailiff filed a criminal complaint about the incident, telling his supervisor Mesa had targeted him for 7 months, even grabbing him by the genitals. An act the bailiff appeared to narrowly avoid while the camera was rolling. 5 weeks after this encounter, Mesa resigned. Although the sheriff's office investigated Mesa for indecent exposure and assault on a public servant, he was never charged with either offense.
I believe it's a closed case at this point. Yes, sir.
BCSO officials confirmed the case was closed once, reopened, and then closed a second time without forwarding it for charges, but have not said much about why.
We've looked at the case in its entirety. If it doesn't rise to a certain level, we just let the courts take over from there, and so that's where it is.
That's the civil courts, where in 2017, the bailiff filed a lawsuit against the county saying he reported Mesa's ongoing behavior to his supervisor 2 months before that videotaped incident, but that nothing was done, and that the weight of reporting Mesa caused a severe stress attack that put him in a hospital for 2 days and then on medical leave. The county is fighting the suit. For the defenders, Dylan Collier, KSAT 12 News.
Mesa did not respond to a request for comment from our defenders. The bailiff remains employed by the sheriff's office, but now works in detention.